Okay, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Temidon, and for some time now, I'll be talking about this company called Task Rabbit VIP, and many people are taking it not too serious. And I'm going to compare this system to other platform that is actually out there, and reason why you should actually join Task Rabbit VIP. So I'm just going to buy airtime right here. I'm going to buy MTN, let's say 200 Naira. So let me do 100 Naira, okay? And let's see if I'm going to receive it right away. See, there's a reason why you need to join Transfer Bit VIP. It's processing. It's successful, so let's just wait if we get the alert. So guys, that is just it. You can see that I've gotten my alert of just now. Okay, so guys, Task Rabbit VIP is something you really want to join. And let me show you my payment history. I've withdrawn more than I've withdrawn 10,000 just today. Today's night. I've withdrawn 3,000, 3,000. I've withdrawn 10. See, guys, I don't know what you are still waiting for. See, there's a reason why you need to join, because it's far better than this other platform you hear. Now, it's far better than this platform. Do you know why? Do you know why? Let me show you. I actually promoted this. They only changed the name. This platform, I promoted it last year. If you guys have been following me, I promoted this platform last year, and right now they are back again, giving you how much, telling you they are going to give you 1,600. See, guys, this thing is going to crash just now, just the same way GMG is no longer paying. See, let me tell you why. Let me go to my YouTube channel, okay? Let me go to my YouTube channel. Guys. So, guys, there's a reason why I brought it to my YouTube channel. I promoted this platform back to back last year. So let me play one of those videos. I'll be able to earn good commissions from. So, guys, is there any difference between what you are seeing now and this very best one? There's no difference, guys. Be smart, be smart. So I'm telling you right now that you should join something that is going to last longer. I won't be saying the reason why you should join, but the reason is that you need to join. Because see, a company that is paying you 1,600 is going to crash. They've done it in the past before. Before. So there's no difference. So guys, just do the right thing. Join. I'm telling you guys that this platform is going to GMG has stopped paying. Okay. So guys, join. So join me and earn with Task Rabbit VIP. That's just it. That's only what I can say. Thank you, guys.